Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. Yes, in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday, it's still Wednesday, November the 8th, 2023. And in this edition, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, with 4 stars. And this one you are interested, it's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 7414. 7414. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between the 1 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 ones, if I place number 4 there. Then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. 4 O's we have here now. So the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. And now we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones in this column. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Finish in 3 minutes. We solve it again in 3 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.